Hello and welcome to another update video about Bonk. Bonk is rallying and we have a 3-wave move up from the Friday the 6th of September low. It still would require a 5-wave move as shown here in circle 1 to really confirm a substantial low formed on the 6th of September, but we're on a good way. The 3rd wave is now very much extended. Bonk likes to do that. Bonk likes to do these extended 3rd waves. We had a similar situation back here. Remember, we were also tracking this upside impulse. Unfortunately, that didn't... Oh, it did hold, actually. It did hold support, didn't it? Yeah, it never formed a lower low. But so from the April low, we were tracking a 5-wave move up. So that was actually... yeah, a possible impulse at the time. I've decided now to track that slightly differently, but still we can label it different ways. There's a pretty messy structure, but what I wanted to share with you is it is technically possible to label this as a 5-wave move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and what would be the 3rd wave here was also extended, quite extended. Bonk loves to do this. So if we just roughly measure here, it also reached sort of the 2.382 extension. And you can see we're now at the 2.618 even the 2.786. So this just means, for example, the 3rd wave is 2.786, so nearly 3 times as long as the wave 1. That is not necessarily unusual in crypto, but it is quite extended. It's actually overextended. 3rd wave extensions happen, especially if there is a bullish phase in the market. The 1.38 is sort of the bare minimum. In a rather weak market, these are sometimes not even reach these extensions, and then the market or the coins or the charts generally, they fail to form these 5-wave patterns. Anything above that is of course possible. You get these extensions, that's common in crypto. There are some coins, some charts that like to form extensions more than others, okay? So yeah, Bonk is just extended in the 3rd. I would still track this here as a diagonal pattern because this looks just like an ABC at the moment. It's not 5 waves up in wave 3. It is 3 waves in wave 3. I've added a support zone for wave 4. We talked about that yesterday. I've adjusted it slightly because until the market puts a top in place, I would have to move this support area higher with the price. It's not fixed on the chart until the 3rd wave tops. Support is now located between 186.271 and 206.946. That's wave 4 support, and as long as this 61.8 retracement level is holding, I will watch for one more high in wave 5. It might not be that deep, the 4th wave, okay? I'm not expecting it necessarily to go to the golden ratio level there. It might just touch the 38.2 retracement, because the higher the 3rd wave goes, the further away the support area is. It's just, like a spring, you can extend it, right? And they move away from each other, even though the Fib levels move with the price. But the higher the price goes, the more parabolic, the further away the support area is. That's just how the Fibonacci levels work. It's just mathematics. And therefore the risk increases as well, because it takes a larger drawdown to confirm something more bearish is playing out. But that also means that we might not see necessarily a test very deep in support. It might only touch maybe the 38.2 retracement. But at the moment, while I record this video, there is no evidence that this 4th wave has started at all. It's just sideways consolidation here on Saturday. But it's definitely something now to watch for. And if we push any higher, I will adjust the support area. And it requires that 5-wave move. After we get 5 waves, should we get 5 waves, we can add the support area for this wave 2, and then this would be a setup for a 3rd wave, which could then take us way higher. So that would be quite promising and a decent setups with probabilities on our side. If we get all these 5 waves completed, then we can expect a 3-wave pullback to form a higher low before we go higher. That's the update about Bonk. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.